Hi, I'm Betty Weller, President of the Maryland State Education Association. She's seen the worst of humanity, prosecuting or trying horrific cases of child abuse and domestic violence. But beyond the sorrow, there is hope and support for victims, thanks to a caring, tenacious advocate, the Honorable Karla Smith.
Seconds don't simply tell time. They mark unconscionable acts no one should ever experience. Every 9 seconds, a woman is assaulted or beaten in the United States. And each day, more than 4 children die from abuse and neglect. Seconds can mean the difference between life and death, and so can an advocate.
All rise. Circuit Court for Montgomery County is now in session. The Honorable Karla Smith presiding.
Judge Karla Smith is an unflinching advocate who uses a holistic approach to violence prevention in the courts, in the classroom, and through the creation of laws and safe spaces for families. To understand what drives her compassion, you must first understand her past. Her mother was a teacher, her father a former foster child who grew up to help run Howard University's School of Social Work. At an early age, they introduced Judge Smith to civil rights pioneers like Rosa Parks and Shirley Chisholm, the first Black Congresswoman. Judge Smith learned that one person can overcome obstacles and make a difference. She made history herself as the first African-American female judge in Montgomery County's District Court. Judge Smith spent 15 years on the other side of the bench as a prosecutor, making sure abusers went to prison. She was named chief of the Family Violence Division for the state's attorney's office and led a team that prosecuted all cases of abuse.
Family Justice Center, this is Bethany.
To help families heal after violence, Judge Smith helped create the Montgomery County Family Justice Center. Here, families find a safe place and dozens of free services like food, counseling, legal advice, and housing assistance. And they can use special cameras to speak to judges to get protective orders. Judge Smith turned her attention to the State House when she learned that Maryland was the only state in the country where child neglect was not illegal. She spent years working with lawmakers, and now the crime is punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Judge Smith reaches out to teens, educating them in hopes of stopping abuse before it even starts. As part of the Preparing for Success conference, each year, Judge Smith helps teen girls boost their self-esteem and set goals after graduation. From prosecutor to judge, her journey is truly an inspiration.
Nice to meet you. It's such an honor.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. Nice to meet you. Take care.
For girls today, meeting Judge Karla Smith is surely as empowering to them as meeting Rosa Parks and Shirley Chisholm was to her, continuing a legacy of strength, courage, and commitment.
Exactly.